Get your hands up in the air. Getting covered.
Indians coming.
Venga, tú sígueme, que anda. ¿Dónde está?
Are you hurt? No. This is good.
Tawny's led them off. I'd better find him. I'll meet you back in camp.
Honey!
That old mountain will stop barking at us.
Now there's a thought. Maybe we can borrow the volcano's thunder. There should be sulfur deposits in there, possibly saltpeter. They're to be found in many parts of the world, especially volcanic regions.
I get it. Make our own gunpowder.
Why, certainly. We can lay mines, make bombs. Excellent defense against the savages.
Splendid. Let's go.
George, pick up those canvas bags.
And Bill and I stay here all alone?
Well, you'll be quite safe. Caius is watching the village. He'll warn us of any attack.
Professor Bill. Those drums, what do they mean?
My people, they fear the wrath of old Ganeba, god of the volcano. War parties search the forest. They will kill all white people to appease Ganeba.
We better load the rifles. Get the ammunition.
I will help you.
I'm going to warn warn Father and Alan.
Yes, yes, of course.
That was a good hunch. This is a fine grade of sulfur.
Yes, that's good stuff, all right. My mammy used to feed it to me with molasses.
Take a look at that.
Saltpeter, all right. It ought to work. Where did you find it?
Oh, there's a big deposit of it up above.
Well, lead the way. I'm sure we have plenty of sulfur.
Shiki. Okua. Hakuna. Ilawa. Inchi, Tekuna, Nande.
Well, a little charcoal now, and we'll have all the gunpowder we can use.
See that stream?
Yes, what about it?
Well, I've been puzzled about the steam rising from the volcano. But there's the answer. Now, you see right below us here, the river separates. Part of it runs through that fissure in the side of the mountain.
Yes, I can see that from here.
Well, undoubtedly, it flows underground and empties directly into the crater.
I see, and the water on the molten lava.
Exactly. A steady and enormous production of steam.
Yes, but what about these occasional violent eruptions?
That's simple. Heavy rain in the mountains yonder, high water in the river here, a tremendous excess of steam pressure in the crater. Something's got to give.
I believe that's it.
Yes, boss. Yes, sure am figuring it out, all right.
We've quite a way to go, so we better get started.
On we go!
Tony Azu, Age.
Alut! Otley, Demi Baitua, Baorga, Yewas.
Você. A Pupurada. A Pupurada, saca?
The drums tell of danger. Listen. The beat has changed. There are captives in the village.
It is Beth. She's a captive in the village, and they plan a sacrifice to the volcano.
Stay here, Tony.
No, do not go. It's useless to try. You will only be killed.
What's the matter?
Your daughter's a captive in the village,
Beth, the captive?
and they will sacrifice her to Ganiba.
You mean they're going to throw her into the crater? We've got to get her out of there.
It is hopeless. The whole village will be there. We wouldn't have a chance.
Now, wait. Isn't it the Indians' fear of the volcano that prompts this sacrifice?
They wish to appease Ganiba and stop his violence.
Suppose we stop it for them.
But that's impossible.
It can't be done.
Well, you remember that spot that I showed you, where the river pours into the crater?
Yes?
Well, with this much gunpowder, we can blast part of the cliff into the bottom of the river, and then we can dam the fissure.
That's it. We'll turn off the water. No water, no steam. No steam, no eruptions.
That's right. Gather some charcoal, men. We're going to tame that volcano.
Matita McGowan.
Kind of yalla.
Matita McGowan, what?
Keski gave a charnum.
It's what?
We can only find some way to delay the savages until we're set.
I have it. Professor Bill and I will hurry to the crater. He will do white man's magic and delay the sacrifice.
Magic? I can't do magic.
You can pretend to.
You've got to give us time.
Mahini, Yate, Yarainuba, say Asi. Yata! Yata!
You shouldn't have come. It was madness to attempt to rescue with such odds.
Had to try.
Aja! Abumba! Hey, Makui!
Igasu de Watami Ishdu. I told him that you're a great witch doctor from beyond the sunrise. Nazawi Ganiba Da. I told him that white man's medicine is stronger than Ganiba.
Certainly, Chief. Give us a few minutes and we'll make your old volcano say Apku. Ganiba ha! Ganiba ha! Hey!
Nibble!
Abacadabra! I get to know where you're.
He says white man's medicine's very powerful. He'll give you time to overcome the volcano until the shadow of the sapling reaches the rock.
I'll try and keep things going. The boy stood on the burning deck. His feet was burned with blisters. The fire burned his trousers off, and now he wears a sister's. Double, double toil and trouble. Fire burns, volcano bubbles. Cool it with a baboon's blood. Now the charm is firm and good. Asani! Hey, Akati! Hey, Monroe! Will you please hurry? Asani, hey, look, madam, look. Hey, down! Hey, down!
Lay a thick trail we can't afford to miss.
Look down at that giant over. Ajay!
As long as we can make it, get ready to run.
Stick 'em up.